Welcome to Villa Amanzi, Kata Beach in Phuket. If you watched my previous vlog, you would have seen that we've just arrived at Villa Amanzi. Upon arrival, we were greeted by the villa manager. She gave us a quick tour of this huge 1,200 square metre villa. Oh yeah, fresh coconut water. Now to the kitchen, where I know amazing Thai food will be created here. Check out this amazing tropical lush greenery outside your window. This kitchen is really a kitchen to die for. A new day is born, and check out this view. Wow! Let me give you a tour of this amazing 6-bedroom villa. This is the main bathroom with jacuzzi. There's twin vanities, 2 toilets and a large shower. There's a huge master bedroom with a large balcony overlooking the beach and the private pool. There's an outdoor bathroom with sauna and massage table. Going downstairs, through the glass and marble, there's an office, a huge bar and a comfortable contemporary lounge with full entertainment system overlooking a waterfall. There's a huge dining area with a solid table positioned right outside the pool. The pool is a great size at 15 by 6 metres with an infinity edge overlooking the sea. Upstairs, you'll find a pool table, a comfortable outdoor lounge and a barbecue area. Well, I'm just off to the local Thai market to buy some local ingredients. I think the taxi's arrived. Yep, there it is. How are you? That's good. Very well. Yeah. The market is only a 10-minute drive from Villa Amanzi, and we're buying fresh ingredients for our lunch. As soon as you enter this market, the fragrances really hit you. All the fresh produce. Hey, these are the baby eggplants that we had yesterday. There's an abundance of herbs, spices, pastes, all ready to use. Now, you don't buy coconut milk in a can or carton here in Thailand. It's made fresh in front of your very eyes. The coconuts are first split, then placed into a grinder. The shredded coconut is then placed in a bag, and the bag is put into a press that extracts all that coconut goodness. Pure coconut milk, ready to take home. Today we're going to make chicken Penang, which is a southern Thai chicken dish. And to make it more authentic, Kai is going to make it. First, oil is added to a hot pan with a generous amount of red chili paste. So first we're adding the chili to the hot oil, and we need to caramelise that a little bit. Once it's reduced and it starts to break up, the coconut milk is added. Yes. Fresh coconut from today.
Fresh coconut from today.
From the market.
From the market.
Then we can add the chicken. The chicken is added and gently cooked for a few minutes. You're adding the palm sugar now. Palm sugar just gives it that beautiful sweetness, but it's optional if you don't want to add the extra sugar at home. And this is some soy sauce, a little bit of soy sauce. So the chili paste we're using today is World Food. It's made by World Food. And they also have an array of different sauces that you can use for quick, easy meals, because Thai foods are very complex in their pastes and their sauces. It just makes it much quicker to cook at home. Some crushed peanuts are added. Some thinly sliced kaffir lime leaves and some red chili. Okay, there you have it. Chicken Penang's finished, and we'll dish it up. Garnish with some coconut cream, fresh kaffir lime leaf, and chili. The beauty of staying in a villa like this is the proximity to the beach. There's an easy access using a security code, a short walk, and a flight of steps. You find yourself on Kata Noi beach. In contrast to Patong, this beach is quiet with a subdued atmosphere. The water is warm and crystal clear with soft golden sand. Okay, so what's next? Stir-fried vegetables. Oil and garlic is added to a hot pan. The broccoli is added, along with the carrot, asparagus, sugar peas and mushrooms. Now you would normally use a wok, but this demonstrates how simple it is for anyone to cook Thai food at home. Okay, a bit of water. Oyster sauce, yeah, the thick one, and soy sauce, and sugar. The cherry tomatoes are added last. And finish.
Yes, really easy.
Such an easy way to make vegetables. It's garnished with crispy fried shallots. Believe it or not, this villa also has an elevator. Let me show you some of the other rooms. Most bedrooms overlook the sea, and each room comes with its own bathroom. There's a view even from the shower. Plus, you have a relaxing outdoor area with sun lounges. And then you have a waterfall right outside your bedroom. And now Kai's going to make for us some deep-fried tempura prawns, right? Okay. And you coat them in corn flour. Corn flour and water, that's it. Yeah. Once coated, the prawns are deep fried in the hot vegetable oil until crispy. Tempura prawns with sweet chili sauce. What else can I say but yum? We had amazing meals at Villa Amanzi, thanks to our chef Kai. I'm smiling, and so is Buddha, and with good reason. Another fantastic day in the amazing villa. Interestingly enough, each night came with a light show. But each day was blessed with perfect weather. One last dip in the pool before leaving this tropical piece of paradise. Time to say goodbye. Thank you, Villa Amanzi people. It's been real. Make sure you watch the next Thailand vlog for more food and craziness.